Peppa Pig. Peppa goes to the zoo. Lift the flat book. Madame Gazelle is taking Peppa and her friends to the zoo. Remember, children, today we will be meeting wild animals, she says. Ooh, cry the children. Don't worry, says Madame Gazelle. The wild animals will be safely behind fences. Roar! Ah! A lion has escaped, cries Madame Gazelle. Hello, I'm Mr. Lion, the zookeeper. You've picked a good time to visit, says Mr. Lion. It's feeding time. Which animals live here? asks Susie Sheep. They move very slowly and live to be very old, says Madame Gazelle. It's a turtle. Not all animals eat vegetables, says Madame Gazelle. That's right, Madame Gazelle, says Mr. Lion, grinning. Yes, well, says Madame Gazelle. Who lives here? Ark, gulp, splash. Hello, says Mrs. Crocodile. I'm the keeper in charge of this part of the zoo. Penguins, they eat fish. Oh, a crocodile, cries Madame Gazelle. Look, there's my daddy. He's a keeper at the zoo too, cries Gerald Giraffe. Hello, says Mr. Giraffe. Can you guess what animals I look after? They fly and get all their food from flowers. Where are they? asked Peppa. Look carefully at the flowers, says Mr. Giraffe. Ooh, pretty butterflies, say the children. Flutter, flitter, flutter. Thank you for showing us around the zoo, says Madame Gazelle. Oh, this talk about food has made me very hungry. Me too, laughs Mr. Lion. It's our feeding time now. What's for lunch today, Mr. Lion? asks Mrs. Crocodile. Can you guess? Roars Mr. Lion. Little picnics in boxes. Yummy, says Peppa.